I am Danny, and welcome to my channel Denovator, where my experiences become your adventure. Today we're in the town of Calvary, which is located in southwest Georgia. We will explore the vendors, the demonstrations, and the sights of the 2024 50th anniversary of Mule Day. I decided to grab my breakfast before I started my adventure today. Got some good old pancakes, some sausage, and a water. That was a pretty good breakfast. In addition to breakfast, they also got plenty of options for lunch. Here's a bunch of legs from turkeys who didn't get that Thanksgiving pardon. And at Mule Day, they had the vending area. So let's go check out some of the vendors. I like this little table right here. It's got guns on it. So here at Old Phil's, I noticed this Florida State shirt. You know, we are close to the Florida State line. Mule Day is a big event. There's a lot of vendors out here and a lot of people. A lot of support from this area. Here's a cowhide that looks sort of like a zebra, the way they got this stencil pattern on it. So you can't have a good festival without some funnel cakes. They just play the national anthem, the start of the festival. They even got seafood here at the Mule Day. Hey, look up here. I need some attention. Some hot wings. Watch. These are called I Dream of Jeannie faces. And check out that giraffe. There's a raptor drone. So here's the teddy bear mobile. They got all kinds of stuffed animals. Because you know we're at Mule Day, so if you mix that donkey with that horse, you get your mule. And also if you mix that donkey with that zebra, you get a zonkey. I had just learned that this bell is traditionally rung at 10 a.m., signaling the start of Mule Day. The old school bell was donated to the Calvary Lions Club, who sponsors Mule Day. Behind the bell is the Mule Day Museum. This building was once the Higdon Commissary and was built around 1867. Inside, I found this rather comfortable old bed. There's also local history of nearby churches and schools from the past. There's also a lot of historical items from the surrounding early farming communities, including this organ that was built in the late 1800s. Here's a cornmeal grinder. The corn is poured into the hopper, then it flows down into the grindstone, where it becomes cornmeal. This cornmeal is operated by this engine, which rotates the stone by this belt. And then you can buy some cornmeal and a Mule Day t-shirt. Inside this building is a unique approach to making cane syrup. It uses an evaporator to remove the water from the sugar cane juice. Before I go and visit the working mule on the property, I want to first walk to the other side where there's a few more vendors. These little tricycle planters are pretty cool. This is the animal which is celebrated here at Mule Day. The mule is a result of mating a male donkey called a jack to a female horse which is known as a mare. The mule is well known for their endurance, their strength, and their lack of fertility. This is a demonstration of a mule powering a sugarcane press. The stalks are loaded into the press and cane juice is extracted. After the sugarcane is extracted, it is poured into a large metal pan. The juice is cooked for about 4 hours and the impurities that collect at the top are removed with a strainer. As a result, you have cane syrup. Next to the cane syrup cooker are these gentlemen who are using a tractor to press out the sugarcane juice. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed my video today here at Mule Day, the 50th anniversary. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator. I'll see y'all the next time.